Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
How's your day going so far?
How's your day going so far?
Nice to see you after so long.
Nice to see you after so long.
I hope you're doing really well.
I hope you're doing really well.
What are you busy with these days?
What are you busy with these days?
See you tomorrow. Take care.
See you tomorrow. Take care.
I'm glad we met today.
I'm glad we met today.
Let's meet for coffee soon.
Let's meet for coffee soon.
Hope you're having a good evening.
Hope you're having a good evening.
Have a safe trip home.
Have a safe trip home.
Please open the window.
Please open the window.
I'm cleaning my room now.
I'm cleaning my room now.
Don't forget to water plants.
Don't forget to water plants.
Let's set the dinner table.
Let's set the dinner table.
The light just went out.
The light just went out.
I'll organize my closet later.
I'll organize my closet later.
Turn the TV volume down.
Turn the TV volume down.
Lock the door at night.
Lock the door at night.
Weary out of cooking oil.
Weary out of cooking oil.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
I start my day with tea.
I start my day with tea.
Let's walk after lunch.
Let's walk after lunch.
I'm working right now.
I'm working right now.
Wait a few minutes, please.
Wait a few minutes, please.
I learn new things daily.
I learn new things daily.
I'll make a shopping list.
I'll make a shopping list.
Let's finish homework first.
Let's finish homework first.
I'm using my phone less.
I'm using my phone less.
Can we take a short break?
Can we take a short break?
I read before sleeping.
I read before sleeping.
Is there any discount today?
Is there any discount today?
I need comfortable shoes.
I need comfortable shoes.
Show me more designs, please.
Show me more designs, please.
I don't have enough cash.
I don't have enough cash.
This dress is too costly.
This dress is too costly.
I'll come back later.
I'll come back later.
Please wrap this as a gift.
Please wrap this as a gift.
I'm comparing prices here.
I'm comparing prices here.
Do you have a smaller size?
Do you have a smaller size?
Let's check another shop.
Let's check another shop.
I feel like eating sweets.
I feel like eating sweets.
Please make me some coffee.
Please make me some coffee.
The soup tastes delicious.
The soup tastes delicious.
I'll have a sandwich, please.
I'll have a sandwich, please.
Let's try a new recipe.
Let's try a new recipe.
Fresh bread smells amazing.
Fresh bread smells amazing.
Pass me the salt, please.
Pass me the salt, please.
I don't want rice today.
I don't want rice today.
I'm full, no more food.
I'm full, no more food.
Let's order dessert now.
Let's order dessert now.
How long to reach there?
How long to reach there?
Let's book tickets online.
Let's book tickets online.
Drop me at the bus stop.
Drop me at the bus stop.
I think we're lost now.
I think we're lost now.
Let's stop for some water.
Let's stop for some water.
Is there petrol nearby?
Is there petrol nearby?
Leave early to avoid traffic.
Leave early to avoid traffic.
I love mountain air.
I love mountain air.
Show me on the map.
Show me on the map.
Weather is perfect for picnic.
Weather is perfect for picnic.
I'm happy for your success.
I'm happy for your success.
That's interesting. Tell me.
That's interesting. Tell me.
I understand your feelings.
I understand your feelings.
Sorry, I didn't mean that.
Sorry, I didn't mean that.
Let's finish this together.
Let's finish this together.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
I'll try to find out.
I'll try to find out.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
We need to talk more.
We need to talk more.
Call me back later.
Call me back later.
My internet is too slow.
My internet is too slow.
Send me location on WhatsApp.
Send me location on WhatsApp.
I'll email you later.
I'll email you later.
My battery is almost dead.
My battery is almost dead.
Check if file downloaded.
Check if file downloaded.
Wi-Fi is not working.
Wi-Fi is not working.
Turn on Bluetooth now.
Turn on Bluetooth now.
I lost my headphones.
I lost my headphones.
Let's watch it on laptop.
Let's watch it on laptop.
Stay calm, it's fine.
Stay calm, it's fine.
Call an ambulance now.
Call an ambulance now.
Take him to hospital.
Take him to hospital.
Don't move, stay still.
Don't move, stay still.
I need some water.
I need some water.
Floor is very slippery.
Floor is very slippery.
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm fine, thanks.
Keep your phone near.
Keep your phone near.
Where's the pharmacy?
Where's the pharmacy?
Let's wait till rain stops.
Let's wait till rain stops.
Please explain it again.
Please explain it again.
Thanks for inviting me.
Thanks for inviting me.
I enjoyed spending time.
I enjoyed spending time.
Let me know if needed.
Let me know if needed.
I'd love to join dinner.
I'd love to join dinner.
Excuse me, what's the time?
Excuse me, what's the time?
That's kind of you.
That's kind of you.
Sorry, I can't join.
Sorry, I can't join.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Please stay safe.
Please stay safe.